Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. You're going to come here like that, and you're going to extend the volume like that, my friend. So that one, my friend, it's showing us. Also, we got here a divergence in the daily, my friend. So be aware of those things in the volume there, my friend. It's might that price break down, but there is nothing yet confirmed. Unless if it's breaking for us that level here, that one also being followed a long time. And it's going to be confirmed, it's going to break up, unless when it's breaking here, the upper the 24k, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find the red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. We came back to you, my friend, when the daily candle is finished. As you see it, that one, that green one, is finished. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, that the candle of us, it's finished, that one, that green one. So as you see, the previous day, green one, another red, and today, that green one. But till now, there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. I tell it to you and I will repeat it 1,000 times. Till the price break for you that level here by a candle. It need a candle to come and to close above that level, my friend. If it doesn't close, don't enter, my friend. Remember that. And another thing here, I showed it to you before. You got here like a small divergence here and here. And another one is it here, my friend. From the peak of that candle here, that one to that one. That a divergence, my friend. Where is that candle here? That one here, that red one. Is it the volume of it? Is it down here? Is it that one? That the volume of that one? And that green candle, that one we are in. We finish it today. Where is the volume of it? Is it that one down here? So how you going to make it? You're going to come here like that, and you're going to extend the volume like that, my friend. So that one, my friend, it's showing us we got here a divergence in the daily, my friend. So be aware of those things in the volume there, my friend. It's might that price break down, but there is nothing yet confirmed. Unless if it's breaking for us that level here, that one also being followed a long time, and it's going to be confirmed. It's going to break up, unless when it's breaking here, the upper, the 24k, my friend. Everything is too clear? So, let's show you our indicators, what they said, my friend. As you see, that one, my friend, that one, our RSI, it's still here. It hasn't break the upper or the all-time trend line, that one. That one, also we've been following for a long time. It's tried to break it now, but there is not yet confirmed, my friend. So, it's need a candle, that one to break it like that, and that candle which is going to be running when that one breaking to finish it, and that one stay above like here. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into lower time frame to show you what is it there in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, my friend, as you see here, what the price tried to give you here, it couldn't break the upper of that channel here. As I tell it to you before, we are not going to enter always if it's breaking the upper of that channel. So there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. And another thing here, let me show it to you, and let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. I show you before, my friend, here from that here, that one to that one, what we got. I tell you before, my friend, from that one to that one, and from that one to that one like that, you got a divergence in the 4 hours, my friend. And another thing here, it's happening. If you see here, that candle which is going now, that one here to here, and here to here, You got another divergence, my friend, in the small time frame. It might that one is going to go upward, but then it's going to fall down again. So be aware of those things, my friend, very, 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 very well. Be aware of it, my friend. Till now, there is no breaking of the upper of channel, and we're still inside it. So let's go to see what's going to happen today. Everything is too clear, my friend. And if you remember, also I told you before, also we got here a trend line like that. I tell it to you, it touch here, and it's being respected here and here all those times. So that one is an extra trend line, is not 100%. Everything is too clear. Let me show you our indicators, what they said, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, that our indicator, if you remember what did I told you from that zone here, and that one here, and that one here. The price is giving you there a trend line. Let's show it to you. Let's draw it together like that. You came here and you extend it like that. And as you see, my friend, the price, it touched here. That indicator of us, it touch here. It's trying to go upward. But till now here, there is no power like here. As you see it, even there, it gives you a small divergence, my friend. So be aware of it. It might from here going down. So there is no entry now. As I tell it to you and I repeat it, my friend. And I tell you before in the previous video, my friend, I tell you here, if you saw here, by the way, if you are new here, go back and watch the previous videos, my friend. We explain those things more than now. I think everything is too clear, my friend. And by the way, if you are new here and you don't understand what else we're talking about, down below in the first comment, my friend, you're going to get a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. It's going to teach you everything about technical analysis, my friend. It's going to teach you how to trade using technical analysis the right way, how to diversify your portfolio and everything, my friend, how to draw support resistance, how to draw trend lines, how to draw supply and demand zones, how to spot if you are in an uptrend or a downtrend, my friend. All those things also we're talking about here is very, very, very well and explained in our course. So go down, you're going to benefit by 85% discount, my friend. The course is it in Udemy, it costs $200, but if you're using the couple link down, it's going to cost you only $13, my friend. The price of a cup of coffee, my friend. And if you don't want to enter in that technical analysis things or those things, and you just want to invest in the crypto world or the cryptocurrency world, next to it, there is a 85% couple link to our Bitcoin investing course. That course is going to teach you everything, my friend. How to buy and how to buy the right way, not fibs, not everything. How to sell and how to maximize your profit, my friend. How to catch the big run in that course, my friend. Everything and with how to risk. That's the most important, my friend. With how to risk. You are not going to risk your capital or something. Everything is too clear, my friend. And another thing here, very, 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 very important, my friend. Look at it here, what you see in here. Here. And here. What you see in, my friend. That cup and handle, my friend. The cup and handle. Where is the top of it? The top of it is it here at that level. To calculating the take profit of it, you just came here from that zone to that zone here. And when it's being broken here, you do it up, my friend. So it's like that. As you see it, my friend, that one is a cup and handle, my friend. Be aware of all those things, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. So the price is giving us all the kind of things, but till now there is nothing confirmed, my friend. So let's go into 30 minutes to show you more, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes the price it tried to give you here another trading pattern as you see it, my friend. Over here, first shoulder, the head, and the second shoulder, my friend. But where is the neck? Is here, my friend. It needs the price to break for you that previous high, my friend, for you to enter. So I tell it to you before, it need the price to come and to break here that level, my friend. If it doesn't break it, and that level here, as you see it, is the previous high. Everything is too clear, my friend. But here down in the volume, something extra happening here. As you see it, my friend. Let me delete those ones to show you more. As you see here, my friend, in the volume, what the price giving you. Here, like that, and here, like that, my friend. That's a divergence even in the volume, my friend. So it might the price from here is going to fall down to touch that trend line again, my friend. Or maybe to touch that zone as we've been following all that long, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture, my friend. And by the way, that our triangle, it's being broken here. But till now it doesn't give you high. So it doesn't break that one. So it need a candle to come and to break that one up, my friend. If it doesn't, don't enter long. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see in our indicators what they say. As you see, my friend, our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, it's saying here we are at the overbought area, my friend. So the market or the Bitcoin price, it might from here is going to drop, my friend. So be aware of that thing. The Bitcoin is going to drop, my friend. As we told you before, from here to buy. And we'll have you buy from here. And we'll have you sold here, my friend. And we calculated for you before. We'll have you make 4.88%, my friend, from your capital. Now, as I told you, it might now that price fall down, but as I told you, it give you here a head and shoulder, but we don't know what's going to happen, my friend. As I tell it to you every time, don't buy at the overbought and don't sell at the oversold, my friend. Also, we are at the overbought now. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend? So make sure to subscribe in our channel, my friend, and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. And turn it to all to receive all our latest videos, my friend. And down there is a lot of people that write in comments. I don't know them and I don't got any relation with them, and majority of them they are scams. They just send you to Telegram to scam you there. So don't go there, my friend. Be aware of those things. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow, my friend. Bye for now.